Finding sample data for your customers or for internal purposes can be tricky. In Excel, the file structure can make filtering difficult or even impossible. And in most QC programs, the search function is limited, requiring you to run multiple queries and piece the results together manually. In this lightning demo, I'll show you how LASTRADA's search capabilities allow you to easily find and compile specific data you need. Let's say I want to find 3 samples. We'll bring in data from our HMA stats module. For this example, I want to find samples from a specific plant, and I also want to find more specifically the wrap samples that were used for a mixed design correlation. So first I'll select my plant, and I'll query in the data. I can also just select recycled here and query it in. We're going to use these filters to sort our information. This shows me all the wrap samples that were used for mixed designs, and I want the samples that were used for this mixed design specifically. So let's open up the first 3 samples. So you select your samples, and this will open up the sample dialog, at which point you can then scroll through your samples using the green arrows. Within this dialog, you can edit any of the data that needs to be inputted, or you can generate reports. LASTRADA deploys the same strategy for finding samples in Binder QC, Aggregate QC, and every other module. In Sample Management and other select modules, LASTRADA can even do wildcard searches. For more ways LASTRADA can simplify your work, check out our other lightning demo videos at lastradapartners.com/resources or visit our contact page to speak with one of our engineers.